omega-3s, then you might want to consider adding a little fish oil to the mix. There are many benefits of taking fish oil each day, but one of the most important is that it's a great way to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need from your food. Many people don't realize that the oil you use on your salad dressing is packed full of these nutrients as well. If you're trying to get all of the good fats in your diet, then it's a good idea to add a little bit of this oil into the mix. If you're trying to lose weight, then you should definitely include fish oil into your diet. This oil has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, and it has also been proven to increase energy levels. The key to getting all of the important nutrients and vitamins in your daily diet is to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. When you eat a lot of these foods, you're helping your body to convert these nutrients into usable ones. Taking fish oil is a great way to get all of the nutrients and vitamins that you need in the foods that you eat. In addition to the omega-3 fatty acids, you'll find that the antioxidants contained in fish are also very beneficial. Antioxidants have an important role in keeping your body free of toxins and harmful free radicals. It helps to protect your cells from damage caused by these molecules. If you're looking for an easy way to get more nutrients into your body each and every day, then taking fish oil may be the best option for you. If you find that you're not eating enough of the foods that contain the nutrients that you need, then adding a little bit of fish oil each day will help you to make up for that lack. There are several different forms of fish oil available, so it's important that you find one that contains the omega-3 fatty acids that you need. Taking this oil can help you make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients and vitamins that you need. The first form of fish oil that you can use is called DHA and EPA. You should look for products that contain both of these fatty acids. Fish oils made from flaxseed will contain EPA and DHA. These essential fatty acids are much higher in quality than those that you can get from other sources, but some companies still offer them. One of the things that you'll need to watch out for when you're taking fish oil is that it's best if you buy it online. Instead of buying in stores, it's a good idea to shop for the supplement online. This is because you can read reviews about the different brands before you buy them. This is also the case if you go with supplements that come in capsules. Most companies have websites that allow you to read the various reviews left by customers. The best way to get the best product for your money is to buy online. You can read about all of the different types of supplements and then choose the one that suits your needs the best. Another benefit to using fish oil is that you can take it with virtually any food that you eat. If you're trying to lose weight, then you might want to buy the supplement that comes with a meal replacement shake or a drink that is full of fish oil and flaxseed. These are much healthier alternatives to foods that are high in fat content. The benefits of using this supplement include the fact that it helps you build muscle and keeps your skin looking younger. If you find that you can't seem to get the results that you want, then try switching up your supplement. Instead of taking the supplement that only contains one type of fatty acid, consider adding them to several different products in order to ensure that you get all of them that you need.